Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste video edited attributes in CapCut PC. So in here, I have 3 clips on my track in CapCut PC, and I want to apply the same edits for the entire clip. So what you need to do is just choose a clip first and add the edits that you want. So for example, in here, I'm going to add the effects to this clip, and then here I'm going to adjust it first and adjust the duration like this, and after that I'm going to add a color adjustment in here. I'm going to go with auto adjust 100, and after that, if you want to copy these attributes into the entire clips, you can just copy the attributes. So let's just right click on it, and then here you can see there's the copy attributes, or you can use the shortcut control Shift and plus C. Just click on this and select the clips that you want to apply the edits again. Right click again in here and click on paste attributes. Click on paste, and just like that, now all of the clip will have the same edits. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.